my name is Mark and welcome to Petals for Troubles, where we will be helping you solve simple physics questions. Let's go!
I'm too numb to feel pain. I'm too grown to play this game. How'd I get here?
That's being shown, we need to find V1F. But how do we do this? Well, first, we write down all of the things that we have given. With that, we can solve for V1F. Once we have that down, we write down our elastic formula. And from there, we just do algebra to cancel M1 and single out V1F. Once you've done that, we will now form our x and y components using sine and cosine. With this, we will get our respective I hats and j hats. Once you've done that, this will help us determine our vector notation for both x and y components. So we just write that down, and this is what you should get. Once you've done so, we will then substitute it into our main formula, which should give you this. And once expounded, will give you on to this for your j hat. It'll then lead you to the answer of parenthesis 0.63 I hat plus 0.12 j hat. And that is how you solve this problem.
Go. And that's it. Thank you for watching.